And now, please allow me to say a few words about Gaza, Israel, and Palestine. I'm not sure I'm eloquent enough or know quite the right words to express what I'm feeling, but let me try. I think what is happening in Gaza is an atrocity. And I think that the Israeli government is directly responsible for it. And to the degree the US government is assisting the Israeli government in this, which I believe it currently is, it needs to stop immediately. For me, as an American, it makes me sick to know that my government has any role in this atrocity. This needs to stop. Yes, there's geopolitical and military complexity, nuance, and historical context that I'm told by some so-called experts that one must understand. And perhaps they are smarter than me. But like mentioned before, unlike the moral complexity of deep history that I've often spoken about, from the Roman Empire to the Atlantic slave trade, this is the 21st century. This is today. In this, the 21st century, I see things quite simply and clearly. To me, the death of a child is a tragedy. It doesn't matter what their skin color is, what their religion is, or what plot of land they call home. In my view, they are all equal. And the death of each child is a tragedy. Hamas did a definitively evil act on October 7th, brutally murdering over 1,000 civilians. But now, the acts of war conducted by the Israeli government have led to the death of over 60,000 people in Gaza, likely over 80,000 people, of which at least 17,000 are children. 17,000. I'm not smart enough to know the path to peace and flourishing of all the peoples in the region. But I do know that what has been happening in Gaza cannot be the way. Suffering at this kind of scale breeds generational hate that leads to more evil in the world, not less, to more destruction, to more suffering. This has to stop. 2 years ago, I spoke with many Palestinians in the West Bank, on camera and off. There's a video of it up if you want to hear their voices for yourselves. It was a deeply moving experience for me, and I'm grateful for it. In the future, I hope to find a way to talk to people in Gaza. I still think it's valuable to talk to leaders, historians, soldiers, activists, from all perspectives. But the most powerful and moving conversations for me on mic and off have always been with everyday people. This always felt like where the truth is, the deeper truth of life, of pain, fear, of hope. And I still have hope. I believe we humans are good at the core, and I know we'll find our way. Thank you for listening. I love you all.